Hi guys, I'm just going to give you a few pointers and tips on how to finish up your Arizona Tic-Tac-Toe board. This is what it can look like when it is finished. So first, we're going to talk about how to paint the baseboard here. So what you're going to do is you got some brown paint or like tan beige paint in your set, and you want to, we're going to do a faux stain. So just as an example, I'm gonna do it here. You would wipe that paint on. Normally we would have you take a baby wipe and kind of wipe off the excess, but you can just do a real thin coat, and then if you need it to kind of, you wanna make it a little bit lighter, you can use some water, but just go with the grain. And you'll do that over the entire top of the board. I'm using one of these makeup applicators that we use for paint, but you should have a foam brush, and I would use that for the large piece here. And then for the smaller piece, this top piece here, it'll be separate right now. I'm gonna show you the method to use. It'll be a dabbing method, and you'll just do that the same way. So we're gonna go ahead and do that dab method we do for smaller pieces. So we're gonna do the cactus next. You're gonna take one of your makeup applicators, just dip the top of it into the paint, and you just go up and down and dab it on there. And you're gonna do thin coats. You can always put another coat on, but you just wanna do thin coats like that. We wanna avoid getting it on the sides. If you do have a baby wipe and you get on the sides, you can wipe it off with a baby wipe, but our goal is to not get it on the sides. And then next, I am gonna show you how I do the Arizona sunset. So you would take one of your makeup applicators, and I'm just gonna put it over here so you guys can see. First, I just kind of swipe on the top, that light pink. Just kind of do it on about the top third, and then I'm gonna dip into that tropic orange, kind of come down. So you're kind of doing like an ombre effect. And you want to go, like I said, with the grain of the wood. And then I'm going to do a little more. You can even, so as you go down, you can make it a little bit darker, and then you can kind of mix the two when you're ready to. Just kind of mix it. And you basically can go over these until they look how you want them to. So I'm going to go back up here and do a little bit of pink. And then I'm gonna go in with this dark pink, and you can use the different makeup applicators, but it kind of all mixes together. So, and then you can see I'm just kind of going in and putting that pink at the bottom. I usually put something underneath here, so I can just use that along the way too. And go back in with a little light and dark. There you have it. So just kind of play with it until it gets to be what you want it to be. And next, you'll be finishing the project. Once you've got everything painted and dried, you'll have two pieces here. So you'll take your glue that you got. To open that, you just pop it like that. I'm not going to show you because I don't have an extra set, but you just want to do a thin, let's see, where's the one I painted? Here it is. A thin line on the top around all of the outside, or on all of the top of the top piece, and then you would press it down and then get it kind of set here on the sides, and then hold it until it's pressed down. And there you go. There you have your tic-tac-toe. Thanks, guys.